The Special Intensive Revision or SIR enumeration form is now available online. Unlike the offline process, the online system is fully managed by the Election Commission of India. Voters don't need to download any form, they can simply click the dedicated link on the ECI or CEO website or use the ECI Net app to fill in their details directly. The process is user friendly. To get started, go to the Services section on the portal and select the clearly marked Fill Enumeration Form option to complete your electoral roll revision online. However, to submit the SIR enumeration forms online, the EC has made the linking of EPIC and mobile number mandatory. An EPIC, Elector's Photo Identity Card, is an 10-digit unique identification number issued by the EC. According to the Commission, all voters are required to fill out and submit the enumeration form to the BLO or online. Go to voters.eci.gov.in. Click on Fill Enumeration Form. Enter mobile EPIC number. Select your state and enter EPIC number. Your electoral data will be shown. Check it. Before filling the enumeration forms, the EPIC has to be linked to your mobile number. If it was not linked already, it can be done instantly by submitting Form 8. For mobile number linking with EPIC, click Correction of Entries in Existing Electoral Roll, then Mobile Number option only under Form 8. Once EPIC is linked with the mobile number, the applicant has to log in again. Fill up the enumeration form including the last SIR information. Submit through Aadhaar-based e-sign. Current name as per EPIC and Aadhaar data to be matched for e-sign and submission of enumeration forms. Open your browser and go to voters.eci.gov.in. On the home page, click Fill Enumeration Form. This will take you to the login or sign up page. Click Sign Up, then enter your mobile number, optional email ID, and the CAPTCHA to complete the registration. Click Login, enter your mobile number and the CAPTCHA, and then select Request OTP. Enter the OTP to log in. Once logged in, your name will appear at the top. Click Fill Enumeration Form again. Type your EPIC voter ID number in the given box. Click Search. The status of your form will appear instantly. If your form is uploaded, you will see a message saying your form has already been submitted with mobile number XXXX. If your form has not been uploaded, you will not see the above message. Instead, a new form page may open. If the mobile number shown is wrong or the status says submitted, even though you didn't submit it, contact your local BLO immediately.